Hey guys, Tech Confetti here doing another unboxing video with this time a Pokemon Let's Go plus Pokeball Plus bundle from the Pokemon Let's Go game. Alright, so this is the box of the game. I got the HK version or the China or the Hong Kong version. Very hard to get your hands on the US version. It's very rare. It's very expensive these days. But what's important is we got our hands on this. So at the front, we got a beautiful artwork of Pikachu and the included Pokeball. So at the side, got the game and the ball. And at the back, we got some gameplay. So that's how you'll catch the Pokemon using the Pokeball. You can use the controller, the Joy-Con, or the Pokeball Plus. Depends what floats your boat. Got a picture of Pikachu. And then a quick capture or screenshot of the map in your Poke Center. So yeah. So without further ado, let's unbox this. So that's the Pokemon Company, Nintendo at the top. So we are opening it. Okay, what a beautiful sight. So as usual, we will go with the game first. That's pretty tight. Oh, okay, so they included this version of the game, so nope. Okay, so US version, yeah. Okay, so inside we got the map. You got Moltres, you got Articuno, we got Mewtwo right there, and you got Zapdos, the four corners. So this is the map of where Pokemon Let's Go will take place. So that's a nice touch. You got this paper, yeah. Okay, we'll set that aside right here. Okay, so we'll see what's inside. So, okay. So this is the cable, USB cable. Also, it's a Type-C. Nice. You will use this to charge your Pokeball Plus. As I mentioned in my previous video of the unboxing of the Nintendo Switch V2, you could connect this to the dock and directly charge your Pokeball Plus. If you do not have a spare adapter USB, you can directly charge this to your dock. Nice touch. So detailed look at it. So it has a Nintendo logo as well as the back. And then your USB. It's pretty short, but its main purpose is to charge and not to use it while it's charging. So yeah, it's very thick. It's a thick cable. I love the quality. That's a plus. And what's inside? Okay, so in this version they put it in this separator, and I think with the USA version it really has a box inside for it, the main box for the Pokeball Plus, but no worries. This still, I believe, has Mew in it. So you can still unlock Mew, or you could still get Mew in this version, no problem at all. Okay, that is a nice, it's pretty smaller, pretty smaller than what I hoped for, but it does its purpose. So you got two buttons here. So if you want to control your character, you gotta press something. Yeah, nice. And again, it has this bracelet, so you will really have to throw this in game, trust me. And you will need to wear that bracelet, because when you get carried away, you will really throw this. And I do not want to know what will happen if I really throw this and drop this. And yeah, so there's a Mew inside of this. Well, you will claim it in game, so it's very nice. Okay, so this is where you will there we go, attach your USB to charge it. All right, okay, it's a nice touch. It just clicks in there. Nice. Okay, so that's what's inside the box. Time for me to enjoy a nostalgic trip in the world of Pokemon. So see you next time, guys. Until my next unboxing video. Bye.